Вони можуть використовуватися.
They can be used for ground, flying and floating drones, and we also plan to develop an unmanned system, a drone with fiber optics and a mount for the warhead.
They are resistant to electronic warfare systems. They are harder to detect and intercept. Fiber optic drones operate without a radio signal. A large spool is placed on a drone with several kilometers of fiber optic cable wound in it.
However, it has certain limitations. It may be highly effective for certain tasks and less effective for others. Its main advantage is that such UAVs are not vulnerable to enemy electronic warfare systems. The signal from the operator to the drone is transmitted through a physical cable, which is a huge advantage for the front lines, but there is a downside: its flying range. The drone cannot fly as far as wireless drones.
These drones are now in the final stages of certification and will be supplied for military needs.
The enemy continues to enhance its capabilities in controlling drones through fiber optics, so it is critically important to neutralize their advantages in this segment. Domestic manufacturers are showing their readiness to quickly adapt to modern wartime challenges and implement new developments. Evgeny Tkachenko, head of UAV Systems Department of Ministry of Defense of Ukraine.
Experts say that the use of drones in modern conflict has significantly expanded. Ukraine has become a leader in the development and deployment of unmanned aerial systems, driven by the need to strengthen reconnaissance, precision strikes, and counter enemy forces that actively use electronic warfare systems.
The Dome electronic warfare systems that the Russians installed on their equipment required us to address this issue. We modernized the drone designs and began using artificial intelligence to automatically guide UAVs to their targets. This means that the UAV locks onto a target before entering the enemy's electronic warfare zone, after which it continues autonomously and either hits or destroys the target.
The increase in production and new developments in weapons is Ukraine's response to Russian attacks.
It is a joint task of weapon manufacturers, our officials and everyone involved to make this year a record one for drones of all types and to significantly increase the production of Ukrainian missiles, artillery and all necessary equipment. I have instructed to increase the number of drone orders. This is already being implemented. Our arsenals are one of the guarantees of independence, as is the accuracy of our soldiers.
Experts believe that fiber optic drones will be an important part of the Ukrainian Armed Forces weaponry in 2025. According to the General Staff, one of the most effective in application could be the Black Widow Web-10 kamikaze drone. It can travel over 5 kilometers and deliver more than 2 kilograms of payload. Reported by Alexandra Zaslavets, Victoria Smirnova, UATV News.